Samsung Galaxy A57 5G and Galaxy A37 5G have been announced. The A57 stands out from its sibling with a slimmer metal frame. It measures 6.9 mm thick and weighs 179 g. Phones have 6.7-inch Super AMOLED displays with 1080p plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Galaxy A57 have a triple rear camera units headlined by a 50-megapixel wide-angle camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 5-megapixel macro camera, a 12-megapixel selfie camera. The Samsung Galaxy A57 is powered by the Exynos 1680 chipset. It's a 4nm chip with a new GPU, run on One UI 8.5 based on Android 16 and are confirmed to receive 6 generations of Android and One UI upgrades. Galaxy A57 will have a 5000 mAh battery. It will support 45W charging. In the US, it starts at $549.99. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.